Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get a Spotify Premium. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Spotify application. Now, after navigating to the application and signing in using your user credentials, you'll be on the Spotify's dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this profile icon and you will see this menu. Here, click on Settings and Privacy button at the bottom. Now, you will see this page where you will see your account, content, playback, and different settings available. Simply click on Go Premium button and you'll be taken to this page where you can simply click on Get Premium Individual. Or what you can also do is scroll down and choose another premium plan. For example, we have this Premium Individual plan, Premium Mini plan, Premium Family plan, and Premium Duo. You also have Premium Student available for this price. Now, simply click on Get Premium button under any of the plan that you like. Now, this will take you to this payment page where you'll have to simply click on Continue with a Spotify button after choosing your payment method. Now, after you click on this button, it is going to take you to this payment page where you'll have to simply choose your address, choose your state, and choose a payment method. For example, I have this Pay by UPI app or Pay with credit or debit card. If I choose credit or debit card, I will have to enter my card number, expiry date on my card number, and the security code, then click on Buy Now. After this, I'll have to enter the OTP and I would have successfully bought the Spotify Premium plan. Now if I choose UPI, I will have to just enter the UPI handle of my application in this field. Then navigate to my UPI application, click on Continue Purchase, and after approving the payment request, I would have successfully bought the premium plan for Spotify. So that's how you get a Spotify Premium. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.